we're going to check out one of my favorite natural areas and hidden preserves in the state of Florida, the 10 Mile Creek Preserve, which is just west of Florida's Turnpike on just off of State Road 70 in St Lucie County, and it's a preserve maintained by the county. It reminds me so much of Florida, southern Florida, when I was growing up, before all these huge developments plowed through the area. When I was a kid, Miami-Dade and Broward counties had lots of people, but when you got north, even into central Palm Beach County, so much of the landscape looked like this. And then you go further north, Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River, Brevard look like this. The 10 Mile Creek is a tributary of the St. Lucie River. In fact, it's kind of a fork of the northern extreme of the North Fork of the St. Lucie River. In fact, there seems to be more water flowing through it often than the immediate northern part of the St. Lucie River. And we're going to see when we go to the some of the other preserves in St. Lucie County, the river and the creek. But the 10 Mile Creek is currently being restored, as is other parts of the St. Lucie River system, to its more historic and natural course. Natural oxbows and meanderings are being reconnected to allow for greater water detention, which reduces flow velocities and improves filtration. This is a common problem in the St. Lucie River Lagoon area, Indian River Lagoon, which is nearby, and really most of the waterways of southern Florida. This will result in greater water clarity, reduce suspended soils, reduce suspended solids, nutrients, heavy metals, and other pollutants to downstream waters. This is a very, very critical project, and as you can see, the restoration efforts allow us to enjoy some great natural landscapes, great natural areas. You see brush communities here. You see a lot of vegetation, a lot of not just cabbage palms and wax myrtles, but the South Florida slash pine, which, by the way, when I was growing up, we called it the Dade County pine. But now it's been expanded. It's kind of geographic scope. By the way, that's the picture of the bridge on the Florida Turnpike crossing 10 Mile Creek. And enjoy the rest of the pictures from this great natural area. And again, it's in Fort Pierce, or just west of Fort Pierce, just west of the Florida Turnpike, right off of State Road 70. You head west towards Okeechobee, and it's one of your first left turns if you're heading west.